Most people think debt is bad, something you should run away from at all costs. But here's the truth. The rich don't just use debt, they leverage it to create massive wealth. Imagine this. Instead of debt draining your bank account, what if it actually put money in your pocket? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how debt can generate income and how smart investors turn liabilities into assets. Stick around, because once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Welcome back to Finance Clarity, your go-to channel for mastering money, building wealth, and securing financial freedom. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our daily uploads on personal finance and investing. Section 1. Good debt versus bad debt. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Not all debt is created equal. Bad debt is debt that takes money out of your pocket. Things like high interest, credit cards, car loans, or payday loans. These types of debt keep you stuck. Good debt, on the other hand, is debt that generates income or increases your net worth. Think of it like a tool. If used correctly, it can help you grow wealth faster than saving alone. Example, if you put $20,000 on a credit card for a vacation, that's bad debt. But if you borrow $200,000 to buy a rental property that generates $2,000 in rent every month, that's good debt because the income pays off the loan while you build equity. Section 2. How the rich use debt. The wealthy understand one key principle. You need to use your own money to make money. Real estate investors borrow from banks to buy rental properties. Tenants' rent covers the mortgage, and the property appreciates over time. Business owners take loans to expand their company. The new revenue pays off the loan, and the owner keeps the profit. Even billionaires like Elon Musk and Warren Buffett use debt strategically. Instead of selling their assets, they borrow against them, which gives them liquidity without triggering taxes. The rich don't fear debt, they manage it like a weapon. Section 3. Real-life example. Let's break it down with a simple example. Say you buy a duplex for $300,000. You put $60,000 down 20% and finance the rest with a mortgage of $240,000. Your mortgage payment around $1,600 a month. You rent each unit for $1,200. That's $2,400 in monthly income. Now subtract your mortgage, $1,600, and other expenses, $400. You're left with $400 in cash flow every month. That's money in your pocket, generated by debt. Meanwhile, your tenants are also paying down your loan, and your property could increase in value over time. This is how debt, when managed properly, creates passive income and builds wealth simultaneously. Section 4. Leveraging debt safely. Now, this doesn't mean you should rush out and max out your credit cards. Smart debt requires discipline and strategy. Here are 3 golden rules. Cash flow first. Only take on debt that pays for itself through income. If the numbers don't add up, don't do it. Low interest rates. Always look for debt that costs less than the return it generates. Avoid over-leveraging. Too much debt can flip from being an asset to a disaster. Keep healthy ratios and have backup cash reserves. Section 5. How to get started. Okay, so how can you start using debt to generate income? Real estate. Look into FHA loans, house hacking, or rental property investing. Small business. Consider a business line of credit or SBA loan if you have a proven plan. Investments. Some investors use margin loans to buy stocks, but be careful. This one carries higher risk. The key is to start small, learn how debt works, and scale up as your confidence grows. So there you have it. Debt isn't always a trap. When used the right way, debt can actually generate income, build wealth, and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Now I want to hear from you. Would you ever use debt to invest, or does the idea still scare you? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Finance Clarity. Share this with someone who thinks debt is always bad, because the truth is, it's not about avoiding debt, it's about mastering it.